Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create Webhook Discord PC. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can click on this right here, which is the arrow down button just beside our actual server name. Click on here on the server settings. And then in here you can see these apps. Click on this integrations, and in here you can see your webhook. So click on this create webhook right here. And now we have in this, it will actually post on our general page. Click on this new webhook. And then as you can see, it has been added. So for example, you want to actually just click on it and then you can change its name. So for example, let's change it into hi. And then from in there, you can add this to a specific channel. It can be in general, any channel that you want it added. And then from in there, click on this save changes. Once it's been saved, you can exit it out. And then it will be added right here on your PC webhook on Discord. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.